Okay, you are live.
Okay.
Okay, I've seen it. All right, let's go.
Okay. You can see my screen very well, brother, right? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Or do I have to like zoom in a little bit? I don't know.
No, it's cool. Yeah, this is better.
Okay, makes sense. Um, what's up? How is the chat looking today? Let's get on with the vibes. We're live already.
Feels like Asian section. Like we're barely moving, barely moving. Feels like a bank holiday.
Um, I actually think alike, but I feel like in the last few hours we've seen some kind of like impressive moves from at BTC because
Yeah.
yeah, yesterday, like
There's a
I
news that came out.
yeah,
Oh,
because yesterday I felt so bearish at some points.
that's
I
what
was thinking I was thinking we were going to like see below
I thought. You
2K.
were zero.
No, at some point I
Same.
think zero is not possible, but I actually felt like we were going below
We're going to lose.
2K. Like, do you get? But there is
Yeah,
actually like a very cool bounce back. So from the chart here so far, what do you think? What do you think is going to be like the close of today? What are like your predictions before we move to the mode AI to start the vibe trading proper?
I'm trying to read the chat from your screen. It's a bit
Okay,
tiny.
okay, okay.
Mm.
Let's. Uh,
Can you put it to candlesticks? It's easier to read. Yeah, that should be it.
I'm not sure.
No, it's not here. It's not in settings. It's not in the settings. It should be after those monthly, yes. After the 1 hour. No, it's not here. It's
Okay,
usually on its own. Yeah, just go down. Yeah, keep going. Yes, that option. Mm.
not
The next
this
one.
candles.
The next one. Yeah. Mm.
The next one
Yes.
should be settings.
No, it's not settings.
Okay,
No,
candles.
just
Yeah.
candles. Click candles. It will change. Yeah, zoom in. Yeah.
Okay.
If you do option R, it should set automatically. Exactly.
Yep. Okay. This is where we are. So
Okay, so just mainly looking at it 1 hour. I think we're going to continue from here. Continue to go up from this level we are at right now.
okay.
So we should be closing above 2450, 25 ish at the end of the day. Unless that low goes, unless that nearest swing low goes, then we
Oh
dip. Maybe see
no, I'm
today.
not sure
Yeah,
that's
not that low. The next one.
which okay, so I think we just got started like we were just having a call. So welcome everyone on the stream so far. Let me check to see if I can see some friends here already. Okay, yeah, I see
I'm seeing.
Wispy. Yeah. GM
Is it
Farm.
Wispy or Wispy?
I prefer to call him Wispy. Maybe he's whichever way
Okay.
works. So welcome to Vibe Trading with Mode. So I think in the last few days, even people that are not in crypto, like we all saw the news. It was just as if we are going to war and all that, which kind of like, of course, as we all know, affected like the market, lots of like speculations and this and that. But I think few hours ago we saw some kind of like should I say improvements and stuff here, and some kind of like cool news and stuff like there is an ongoing peace talk, and and at some point I feel it's actually like reflected in the market so far, because there is like a pullback, because man, it just felt like this is Dumbo. Here we are. So do us a favor to get more people into the stream by sharing, dropping comments. Let's vibe trade together. So before we get in, let's not just look at ETH every day. Let's look at BTC a little before we get back to trading. Like we are going to like enter open a position and enter setup today. So okay, let's look at BTC. Yeah, today we're back at 105k. So what is like your daily um prediction of BTC? What do you think? Saying
BTC moves just like it is. I was looking at the chart earlier today.
Mhm.
I just think everything is going to continue bullish. It's going to continue bullish. In the meantime, we should see 106k for BTC. 106k
uh,
is, I
is
mean,
realizable.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's quickly go to mode AI. So do I have comments here? Okay, I see J Mariano. Welcome, fam. So, okay, for the benefits of doubt, if you're just like joining the stream for the first time, so this is like vibe trading with a mode and mode AI. So, like I love to say, you don't need to be should I call you a technical trade wizard for you to be able to like do the stuff you're going to be doing here today. Even if like what you just know is like the basics, buy, sell, you can be able to like get on with the help of like the mode AI terminal, which will be showing everything like right away, like opening the position, closing, asking the mode AI like where do you think we should like what do you think is the best entry, what do you think should be our take profit position, the stop loss and all that. So you just have to like come on the terminal, and it mustn't just be you trying to like enter a trade. You can use like the mode AI to do a lot of stuff, like you can see here, to swap assets, to show like forecast of assets. You could actually like make analysis and predictions with the mode AI. Okay, let's just give should I say dumb prompts here. What um, will be the daily close of Bitcoin and Ethereum? Sorry, I did not connect my external keyboard yet, so I would be managing this one on the stream. Okay. So as you can see here, yo, what's up, brother? I hope you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm struggling with my screen. It's a bit tiny. You know, if you work with a bigger screen,
Yeah.
anytime you're on the road that you have to work with just PC, you just keep
Oh,
on switching your eyes to be able to see things.
yeah, but I don't know. Is it better? Because I'm trying to
Why
like
can't?
I
Yeah,
zoom
yeah,
in
yeah.
a
I
bit.
can, I can read it now.
Okay. Okay, give
But it's
me.
just funny how these things work. When we had just when we had just the PC, the screen were so large. But once you work with an external monitor that is just a bit bigger than your PC, if you're looking at your PC, it feels like you're holding a tablet.
Yeah, yeah, like it's just more like I don't know if it's right to say adaptation, like you're just used to the whole stuff. I think is
Mm.
common with everybody. So you're just trying to like strain your eyes, but you were formerly used to this.
Just it.
Uh, okay, I think the terminal just like gave us like some cool predictions here. Would you like to read it out or I should just you can go on?
Yeah, yeah, I can see. Here are the AI powered predictions for the daily close next 24 hours based on synth subnet forecast. For Bitcoin, median predicted close 105,563.48, just around 106. 25th percentile 104,359.88. 75th percentile 106,269.82. So the range is just around 101.101,302.98 to 109,497.61. Okay. That's be fair.
And for Earth,
Yeah, for Earth, the medium close is 2,417.74, 25th percentile 2,367.53, 75th percentile 2,458.03. So the range is somewhere around 2,105.57 to 2,587.53. So we are not seeing 2,600 today.
mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well.
So let me
See the
zoom out
bounce
a
I
bit.
told you.
Yes, I can see
See the
that
bounce I
clearly.
told you.
Um, so I want to take a screenshot right away so we can go straight to the mode AI terminal right now to okay.
Zoom out
So
so if you have more information.
yeah, I
Yeah.
think I that's okay. Can you give
No,
me
zoom
like can you give me like the
in
best of
actually.
this?
Like I'm saying we need a better screenshot. The one you have just has a few candles. Is it has limited info contained in it. So you zoom in and take the screenshot. So it has
I I
larger
actually
info.
feel the AI is smart enough to like pick stuffs. It just needs to like capture.
It has the chart,
Yeah, exactly.
a few candles.
Yeah.
Okay. And so, the prompt is heavily dependent on what we want to do today. We are going to execute live. And how
Yep.
long do we want to hold the trade? Do you want to hold it overnight? Are we scalping or swinging?
Um, that's what we are going to decide right away. Can we
Because
just
if we are scalping, the prompt is going to be different. If we are swinging, the prompt is going to be different.
um okay, let's just what do you think? Which do you think should work best for today?
It's just dependent on a lot of factors. Scalping will have your blood pumping fast. But swinging, you might have to hold for a longer period.
I don't know. Since this is like vibe trading, maybe should I say we
Or
should
should we
just
flip a coin?
yeah, I'm looking at
Flip a
some.
coin.
Yeah, maybe just something around 10 minutes interval and see what. So we'll just make it like the margin shouldn't be like that long. It's just something we can realize in 10-15 minutes. So it won't be like
Okay,
having to
so we are
close it outside the
scalp.
stream. Yep, that's
Oh,
what I'm looking at.
okay.
Unless you think otherwise.
No, no, it's cool. It's cool.
Okay, so let's get back to. So yeah, so just the prompts. See if I can put in my external keyboard here.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, can you hear me, bro?
Are you set?
Yo, suggest the prompt. Let's go.
Okay, so this is what I have in mind. You can tweak it a bit. So we have
Okay.
a screenshot of USD, ETH
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to analyze based off support and resistance or supply and demand. Both of them are the same thing. It's just names that we'll call it market structure, possible liquidity grab. We are just looking for trade advice, entry, stop loss, and take profit zones if possible. So the prompt is going to be as simple as I have a screenshot of ETH chart.
You don't even need to.
Can you
You can
analyze
just
it based on supply and
the
demand?
and the
Okay,
image.
from the image based on supply and demand.
So give us
Space
entry.
market, yeah,
Market what?
market structure,
Okay.
yeah. So we are structures. So you, I need a scalp trade advice.
Is it going to be an advice or position? Okay, it's still the same thing.
That is the same thing. Entry, stop loss. It can be in brackets. You can use a, yeah, yeah, that's okay. Entry, stop loss, and take profits if possible.
I think we should include the time frame. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. That's what I'm about to say. So we should use
Okay.
something like PS. We don't want the trade to exit 30 minutes. We don't want to be in the trade more than 30 minutes or something.
Okay.
I It doesn't know you are to, it just thinks it's
Actually,
you, but it's intelligent enough.
for more than 15 minutes, yeah.
Yeah. We are using futures, right?
Yeah, of course, it's mode peps.
Okay, 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 okay.
All good, right?
Mm, I think we should put after that advice, we need to tell it that we are using PEP so he doesn't think we are just buying.
Okay.
Exactly. So we
Okay.
good.
Good. Okay.
Yeah. He zoomed out. How? He zoomed in. I mean the chat screenshots. How did it happen?
No. I think shit. This is okay. This was like screenshots from I want to get something here. I think this is like stats of BTC.
Okay. So he
No,
told you BTC perpetual. We have to redo it.
yes, we
So zoom
definitely have.
in. Zoom in before, zoom in before you take the screenshot. Yeah.
But okay.
Yeah, this should work. Put it on 5 minutes. You know we want to scalp trade.
Yes.
1 hour is a bit of large time frame. Just type 5 and enter. It should work.
I'm trying to
You've not seen it?
I have. I'm trying to well, let me get to this stuff here. It goes by to I have lots of like screenshots here. So trying to trash us.
Much as you can.
Man, don't mind my screen. Always procrastinating, getting to clear the stuff up, but okay. Ouch. So let me see if what am I doing? Okay. Can I be able to copy? Oh, it's still picking this other image. I don't know where is this shot from. Just hang on. I'm trying to. Okay. So, all right. Are you still with me, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just gave the right image now. So let's just um, get the response. Okay. 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 Yo, bro, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. I'm trying to read through the comments here. You're welcome, Jeremiah. Um, who else is on the stream? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. For what is what, we are not gambling. We have our risk management. Trick.
Of
We have
course,
an
of
edge, which is what separates us from gamblers.
course, obviously. So, okay, yeah, back to the chat here. So, yeah, you can read through.
Okay, so market supply zone in bracket resistance, which is what I was telling you. Two.
Mm-hmm. 487 to 2490.
Okay. This is the area recent local highs, which is visible a visible order block resistance. Demand zone 2470 area of recent swing lows and some bullish visible support. Price action. ETH is short-term uptrend with higher lows and
Lows.
higher highs, but is currently consolidating near upper end of the range. You scroll up a bit.
Okay.
Scalp.
So this is the new deal
Scalp trade
here.
setup. Long bias. Trade time. Yeah. So we are buying.
So we are moving all the way
But
up.
I'm a bit
All
confused.
the way up. Hmm?
I'm a bit
Sorry, I think I lost you
confused.
for
Look
some
at
seconds. I didn't hear.
the price it is giving us and the price ETH is at the. I said I'm a bit confused. Look at the price you have here. Did ETH bounce?
Let's look at chart here.
What's the price at the moment?
2436.
Why is it
Uh,
giving us 2 4?
that means we have to like set the bid.
No, tell it to change the values to USDT.
How you mean?
No, like tell the bot to change the values to USDT.
Is on USDC as you can see.
I'm checking if it's the USDC that is making the price um that high.
Mm, so okay. Forgive me, I forgot I connected now. Just to reconfirm. Mm-hmm.
So the bot can actually execute the trade if you let it.
Yes, of course.
Why are we stressing?
2483. Even here from the chart here, the price is currently at is
Hmm.
denoted in C. So I don't know why like the price difference is kind of like that much. Do you get?
Let's see. What did he say?
Still, okay. Can you see it now? Two four eight
Yeah,
three.
yeah.
Well, here, still, unless we just have to. This is like the entry. Unless we just have to like place the bid and just allow the market to, should I say, calm down a bit so that we can like get in. What do you think?
We are below the entry price he gave us. Unless he
Mm-hmm.
wants us to use a buy stop order, which is what will mean that we wait for
Exactly.
ETH price to get to this particular price, like pump to this price before our buy order executes.
And that's the problem here. And this is a bit tricky because look at the entry and look at the stop loss and look at the I feel what this is just trying to
Yes,
mean
that's
is
why I
that
said it must be buy.
it just looks like just wait for the market to meet you. So when you're up with it, you move on, and once you get to
Yeah,
248,
that's what
you
I'm
tap.
thinking. That's what I'm
So
thinking. Because it's first thing he suggested was that we are in a range. Okay.
mhm.
So I'm guessing that is why it moved up a bit.
um so what, okay, let me ask, but 2430, okay, but can you see what's happening here? You bro, can you hear me?
I can hear you. What's the entry that we have?
Okay, I think is giving something new here. So I said here, but Earth is currently trading at 2430. So it gave like an updated analysis here. So with 2430 supply zone, that's the resistance is around 2435, 2440. So so it now give like a new scalp trade idea here. So entry, this can you see?
Yeah, I can.
Ouch. I okay. Let's just
Your mic.
yo, can you see my screen, bro?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So which position do you think we should go with?
The long is okay. But I think we should push the target up a bit.
That's the take profit. Okay, so let's move straight to execute, right?
Yes.
I think your connection was breaking for some seconds. Can you hear me?
Is it back?
Kind of like better now. Okay, so let's move together. Uh, okay. So,
Fuck. Are we slow?
can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can. I can.
Okay, let's try this with 50 USDC. So yeah, what's up, everyone on
Stop
the
loss,
stream?
stop
We are
loss,
about
stop
to like.
loss, stop loss.
You said? Ouch. Can you hear me?
Put the stop loss.
Yes, we are getting to that. I'm here to fill these places up. So I just wanted to carry
Okay.
everyone along. Like, yeah, in case you just joined, welcome to the stream. You are Vibe Trading, and right away we are trying to like moving into the market. We are trying to trade ETH against sorry, SPY USDC. So as you can see, so first on first, once you're here, before you should be able to trade, you have to like make deposits. But like you can see, this is my wallet here, and I already like have some funds here, so I can go ahead and like trade. So right away you have to impute on the price section here. This is just for those that might not be so familiar with what a trade interface looks like. So this price here is just denoting like the entry price we want to get on with, and quantity here is just trying to like ask you like what's up, how much, or like what's the margin you want to like get into this market with. So okay, yeah, so from here, what's like our SL? Should we go with exactly this, bro? 2424.
Let's use the low of that bearish 1 hour candle. Just move the cursor to that candle. I don't think this thing will come back. Come down. We're on 1 hour. Oh, where were we before?
Um, I don't know if it was 15 minutes.
What time frame was it before?
Yeah, I think it was around 15 minutes.
Okay. No, no, just go to the last. This candle that is printing currently. Let's use the low.
Okay.
No, the one that is still printing. Yes. What's the low?
This is
Okay,
two
two,
four.
2 4 2 5. Okay. So the stop loss he gave is correct.
Okay.
The stop loss we are given by the bot is correct.
That's 2424, right?
And that's if we are coming down. Yes.
Man, our entry is looking kind of like far from the current price, but let's just hang around and see what
He
happens.
was he was just around here.
Right?
Hmm.
So should we first enter, or we should set to take profit at once? What do you think?
Just execute. We'll exit manually.
Okay. Okay. So just take a look again of what we're about to do. Price 50 and sell 2424. Confirm, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How
So
much do
we are
you think
waiting.
we will lose if we stopped out?
Um,
Any idea?
I think we can actually calculate that. Yes.
Do the math.
Um, 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 um. Okay. I just remember that we have an AI here. Why stress ourselves? So we can just like, so I entered with 50 USDC. Okay, so let's see what AI has to say. Can you see?
Yeah.
So the percentage loss is going to be 0.12 USDC dollar loss. Are you serious? I think it's
Yeah. So it's going to be 0.0.
0.12 dollars.
I'm
That's
thinking
very
zero point
minimal.
zero 0.06. We are using 0.5x leverage.
Ouch. Yeah, I was actually like going to say that we didn't. Can you hear me, bro?
Yeah.
Can we cancel this and like tap on the
Is
leverage,
it
or we should just?
0.5x?
What do you
Yeah, we
think?
can cancel. We can cancel and replace. We can
Yes,
cancel and replace it.
let's try and like. So the okay, we are still going with this entry, right?
Okay.
Um, so how many percent leverage? Can we do 20,
No, no, no. It's too much.
10?
If you do 20, that stop loss you are seeing there will be times 20 if your
Yep.
stop loss gets hit.
Yeah, true. How about 10?
10, you will lose $1.2. 20, you will lose $2.4. Leave it at 20. Not die, not die.
Okay, so
Okay, very long.
yeah, we are good, right?
Yeah, good. Do you know
Okay.
if we were a bit earlier, we would have been out of this trade by now.
For
Like
real,
if
I
we were
just
quick to place, immediately we got started. Yeah,
that's like
would have been out
um
by now.
that's like the good and bad side of peps. You can, get your bags up in just few seconds, and you can still pack up your bags and go to trenches as well. So everything happens
In a
here.
few
So let's just hang around and see what happens. Let me look through to see if we got new chats. Okay, we don't. Just hope this market is going to tap us in real quick. So if you're just joining the stream, as you can see, like I love to say, this is like trading. You don't you don't need to do so much. Just like you saw, we had the AI terminal help us even like calculate like loss percent in USDC and in percentage as well. So this is just you, resting your back on the chair and having the AI do the heavy lifting. Because normally we would have just been reading through charts, looking at close like what's possible here, just doing all those heavy TA works. But here we my eyes are on the chart as well. So but here we are just about to execute. We already like have like our bid sitting down there waiting for the market to just you know come a bit slower and tap us in. And so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So you can as well help us by sharing the stream. Just drop some comments if you got questions, suggestions, or anything you would want to just like add up. Mm-hmm. Comments if you got okay. Bro, it's just as if we placed the bid and the market just
When
looked.
to be.
Do you get?
Can we go down lower, maybe like 1 minute or 5 minute time frame?
Mm, so you suggest we cancel the bid?
It's taking a bit of time. Let's just go lower the time frame and see if the boats can give us a new entry and exit.
Okay. So should we take another screenshot?
Mm, you should ask if it needs another screenshot to reassess. The market is far above our entry.
Okay. I think we can just go ahead and just take a quick snap here.
And put it on 5 minutes.
5 minutes here.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I get that old prompts. Let me just go without this. So ETH is currently trading at 2442. Okay. Okay, yo, bro, can you see my screen now? I think we got new positions here. Okay, this is with the current price of it, 5 minute scalp plan here. Uh so can we execute right away?
Yeah.
Okay, this is still like a buy. So 2443 stop loss at 2440, take profit 2443 443. Uh, so SL here is 2445. So why the error?
Price is below your entry. Sorry, above your entry.
Okay, should I go with 2441?
Wait. Other validation fails. What's happening?
Oh, okay, it said I think it's because of like the stop loss set should be at least 2441.
Yeah. No, no, it's still not going to go through. That one has to be 4-2. This is when it will work.
Don't know. Should we refresh?
Yeah, refresh. Let me see.
Okay, so 2441 or 2442. Which one should we go with?
What was the stop loss he gave you?
Um, stop loss here is two four
Two
four
four
zero.
three eight.
No,
Okay,
no, that's
okay.
2440.
Okay, okay. It's too tight then.
Man, this is moving so fast. Like,
Mm. That's scalping. That's what it does. That's what it does.
let's make this 10 minutes. Still giving us the same entry. Okay, bro. So let's get in right away, right? 2443.
Yeah.
Man, or should we just get in at the current price? 2444. Okay, let's try this. 2442 and stop loss 2439.
Like going in at the current price, sell short. Don't go long. Go short.
We should go short. Can you hear me, bro?
So
So you want us to go short this time?
yes,
Okay. So what should be our entry here?
let's go with market price. Change the stop loss to 2440.
Okay.
Zero. That's limit. Change it to market. The limit. Change it to market.
Okay, let's get in
Yes.
right away.
Yes.
Okay. We good.
Yeah.
Okay. We just like sent it in. So we're waiting for our entry 2-4. Okay, yeah, I think we're in already.
Mm, might get stopped.
2438. So
Not set the take profit.
we should just watch. What do you think?
I don't know. Just set the take profit. What price did the bot give?
Let's look at that again. So for the section, take profit 2437.
Can take it to 3.5.
2 4.
3.5.
This.
Yeah.
Oh wow, do 2 4. Oh, sorry.
No, no.
2430. This.
Mhm.
Can we confirm? What do you think? Hello. Okay, let me check if we got new comments here. So, okay, none so far. So let's get back to the thread, see what's happened. So we're watching and watching and watching and watching. Do I? Okay. Yo, bro, can you hear me? Um, ouch. I think we lost, or I think I lost connections with him for some seconds. So let's check if we got comments or stuffs. Okay. Market move, market move, market move, market move. Okay, I think we're beginning to see some moves here. So um currently at 2434. So let's see if we can tap out real soon and get to the end of the stream. This is all about a good time, man. We are waiting for what's going to like happen in the next few minutes because so far we're seeing 0.23% PNL. Uh, we are just waiting for some kind of like moves here so we can like tap out. Yeah, so if you got questions, you want to make contributions, please bring it up. Ouch. I I think let's look at the positions here. Them. Ouch. I think the market just went back all up and one of those days. So yeah, like but it was like an amazing section, trying like this out. And yeah, I think Earth's price currently is not really stable. So 2443. So let's look at the I think if we would have like gone with this way, that's like the long, maybe would have like yeah gotten something out, but the other way around. So it's tapped us out, and this is like the next PNL. So yeah, this is just like what it looks like when you like analyze, like I said, and get into a trade. Then if we actually like took the long, I think we would have been in profits, but one of those days actually. So just like you can see here, this is like the summary of the whole stuff. This is the other history here. So our SL got hit and we got like tapped out of the trade. So yeah, it seems to be looking bullish so far. Let's see if it can like break resistance and like yeah get us maybe at maybe 2.5 or something above that this evening before yeah before like the daily close. So if you got questions, you got suggestions you want to like add to the stream so far. So this is like time to just drop comments on it so I can actually like read through before we tap off for the day. And I will be doing this often. So I would be streaming maybe on Friday, like I would be back here just vibe trading with the mode AI. Like I said earlier, we're not going to be doing any stuff that has to be with, technical trading and all that. No, we are just going to be giving the mode AI prompts and it gives feedback. So we get back to the mode trade and like straight to execution. So that's just what is going to be looking like. And yeah, okay, let me head back to the stream to see. Okay, so far, I don't think we got questions. So thank you to everyone who actually like joined the stream because it was an amazing section and I hope you actually like do try this out. Like no need to go with the whole stress of looking for trading groups where you get to pay and get prediction or analysis, since you can use the mode terminal which uses like synth data to give you like accurate real-time prediction of crypto assets. Like you can see here, lots of like assets here, memes as well. We see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Hive, Sui, and a whole a whole lot of like assets. So depending on what you really want to like trade, and you can use leverage, just like you can see here, up to 100s depending on the kind of risk you love to trade. So at your own terms, you just go to the AI terminal, get the prompt if you want to go with normal text, or you want to like go with the image prompt, and you are in. And right from the AI terminal you can execute. But if you just want to like make your analysis from here, then take like readings from here and move to the mode thread. So that's basically how it works. So see you next time. Bye.